Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you where you can find your archived items inside your GitHub projects in 2026. So let us dive into this. So head over to a repository on GitHub. Let me go with this one here. And after that, what you want to do is navigate to your projects. Select your project from that list below. And here guys, inside your project, click into these three dots in the top right and navigate to the uppermost option, archive items. And here you see all items you have archived. So if I, for example, archive, let's go with that item here, by clicking into that option here, it will be accessible from that menu. There you go, so that you may restore it from here or delete it if you like. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.